right, you just gotta watch out for the water, okay? Watch out for the water. Here comes the water. You gotta watch out. Hey, don't go in the water. Don't go in the water. All right, cool. We're all wet now. Watch out, don't fall!
Put it on me!
Put it on you!
Yeah.
You're ruining my hole.
I put it.
Got the water? Hey, Wolfie, here you go.
You wanna dump it?
You gonna do it?
Get it! Get it!
I'm sinking!
You're sinking! Oh no!
Hey, watch out. Bring it around to Mama to the other side of Mama.
Look!
You gonna stay in there and I'll go get water to put on you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Again.
Again?
Yeah.
Ready?
I'm digging! No! No, I'm digging!
Alright, well we'll dig again, baby. It's okay. Mama can help you.
Daddy, and I'm getting water!
Is this your puppy? Oh, okay. Okay, sorry.
Heck yeah.
Vente. Come on.
Oh man. Watch out for the wave. Here it comes.
Shut the door.
I can't shut the door. I gotta put this on you. And the other foot. That feels good, doesn't it? Because it's not wet.